Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, shares and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at halaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung ating coins guys, ang one denier of Yugoslavia na mayroong taon na 1983. So tapusin natin ang video guys para malaman natin ang napakagandang impormasyon tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys ng Yugoslavia. The one denier or one dinar coin from Yugoslavia minted in 1983 is a notable phase from the Socialist Federal Republic period. Here are its case characteristic, general information. Composition dito guys ay nickel brass alloy. 70% ang copper, 18% ang zinc at 12% ang nickel. So mayroon din siyang bigat na 4 grams, 20 mm ang kanyang diameter. Mayroon siyang thickness na 1.5 mm at ang kanyang edge ay reeded. Ang kanyang design naman sa obverse ay features the state emblem of Yugoslavia, symbolizing the unity of the 6 republics. At dito naman tayo sa ating reverse. Ito naman ang ating reverse design guys. Ang naka-display na denomination na 1 encircled by a wreath and stars representing the 6 constituent republics. Ang kanyang inscription, the coins includes inscription in both Cyrillic and Latin scripts, reflecting the country's linguistic diversity. Sa ating mintage and circulation, the 1983 mintage is approximately 114,180,000 coins were produced in this year 1983 period. These coins were part of the standard circulation from 1982 to 1986. Demonetization. The coin was demonetized on September 30, 1988, ceasing its legal tender status. Collectibility and value. The 1983 1 dinar coin is a relatively common due to its high mintage. Its value to collectors depends on the factors such as condition, rarity, and demand. In uncirculated condition, it may fetch of higher prices, while circulated coins are generally valued lower. For instance, an uncirculated condition 1983 1 dinar coin was listed for $5.25 Navy. And the mint location or additional information, mint location will be Belgrade, Serbia, and currency is Yugoslavia dinar. At ito ang kanyang historical context guys. These coins reflects the economic and political environment of Yugoslavia during early 1980s, a period marked by a centralized socialist government and a diverse federation of republics. For more detailed information, you can refer to numismatic resources such as the Numista. Note, the value of collectible coins can fluctuate based on a market condition and collectors' interest. It's advisable to consult multiple sources or a professional numismatist for the accurate appraisal. So yun guys, ang ating napakagandang impormasyon sa baryang ito guys ng Yugoslavia, mayroong taon na 1983. Maraming salamat sa panonood guys at God bless sa ating lahat.